Hello, my name is Garrett from DatapointLabs, and today I will be showing you TestCart, DatapointLabs' online ordering system. You can use TestCart to find a variety of tests that are right for you, as well as test packs, which are a suite of individual tests that create CAE-ready material files for a variety of CAE softwares. You can find tests related to your industry or the material that you wish to be tested. And in addition, you can search for tests in the What We Do tab, searching for tests based on standard or keywords, or if you happen to know the test ID in our catalog. To order a test, first you log in, which I've already done, and once you log in, you'll be greeted by the My Lab screen. From the My Lab screen, you can see tests that you've previously ordered. You can also check the status of tests that you have ordered in the Current tab, or check previously ordered tests in the Complete tab. You can also view or edit quotations that you have created. Now that we know what we're looking for, we can head over to the catalog by clicking the catalog button. DatapointLabs features an extensive online test catalog of over 350 tests and 187 test packs. We can also search here from the catalog, or we can search for tests based on category or test packs by CAE software. In this case, I already have a test open that I want to view, or that I want to order. Here at the test details screen, we can see the test ID, test description, standards most commonly applied to the test, as well as the number of times the test is repeated, and the type of samples that will need to be sent into the lab. You can click on Details under Samples to see the specific dimensions of the samples that need to be sent into our lab. The number of samples that you need to send in is listed here as well. After we are sure that this is the test for us, we can add it to our cart. And now it is time to fill in information on the testing that we want done. First and foremost, we need to select the material that is being tested. The test cart automatically recommends materials for the specific test. Although other materials can be selected, if it is not recommended, the testing will need to be reviewed by our lab staff. So here we will pick plastic. Now we can enter information for the testing that we want done. We can increase or decrease the number of replicates, as well as adjust the speed, conditioning, and test temperature. We can also request a different delivery method for our testing. So you can have your information quicker or even slower to save money. And altering any of these fields will change the price of your testing in real time. So let's say in this case we need 7 replicates of this test. If we increase it, you can see that the price has been adjusted accordingly. Next, we can add this testing to our cart, and then the system will ask us to enter in some information on our sample. It is important to fill out this information. It makes record keeping much easier for our staff, as well as it will make things clearer when the information is delivered back to you. So we will fill this out to the best of our ability. You can also, if you are sending in a composite material, you can also send in the composition of the material as well as the filler material. Or if you have a material safety data sheet, you can also include a URL to it here. You can also include notes. So we click Save Material. And here's our material. And here are the tests that are being conducted on this specific material. And from here, we can actually delete the material and the tests along with it, as well as edit the material in case we entered something wrong or new information is available to you. We can also edit the testing. Perhaps the 7 replicates was too many. We could edit this and reduce the number of replicates that we are ordering. We can also repeat this testing again for the same material. So in case we need this same test done except at a different temperature, we could just click this button and then quickly edit the temperature on the repeated test. We can also add separate tests for the same material, or we can repeat all of these tests for a different material, as well as we can also add a new material to be tested in case we want to send in multiple materials for one order. But let's just say that this one test is enough, and this is all I will be testing and all I will be sending in. We can click checkout. And here we have our shipping information. And from this page, we can also request a quote or place our order. Requesting a quote adds it to the current tab in the My Lab section, where we can edit the quote and add additional testing or materials, or remove testing and materials should we need. And place order will bring us to a billing, where we can enter our billing information. And once we enter our billing information, we can confirm our order and then send in our materials. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for joining me. And this has been how to order tests using TestCart, DatapointLabs' online test catalog.